Hello everyone, in this video, how to put a vertical line in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop document or create a new document. I already created a new document. Then select the line tool. Right click on your mouse, select line tool, shape without fill, stroke black. Press enter. Repeat. Then click anywhere, hold shift, draw on your mouse. And now we can see this put vertical line. Change the vertical line color, duplicate, press Ctrl Z, and method 2, press Ctrl R, then draw a ruler tool. Again, select the vertical line tool, then draw. Press Ctrl H, see this result. And method 3, again create a new layer. Right click, use rectangle tool. Without without stroke, use only fill color. Press enter. Then see this result. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.